My name is Leanna Namovic. I am the Programs Director at Disability Empowerment Center.
Hi, I'm Mandy West. I am an independent living specialist at Disability Empowerment Center.
I really appreciate that there is always something going on. So you can be walking down the halls and hear that there's square dancing happening or a city planning meeting, and you can just kind of stumble into things. It's really impacted our ability to collaborate with other organizations on the East Side.
I love the different social services and how we are able to bump into each other, and network. And I often meet people in the community kitchen and we just start chatting, and the next thing we're networking, and I really appreciate that.
A really good example of how being in the Together Center has amplified our impact is getting involved in the Redmond 2050 comprehensive plan process. We were not a part of it initially. I saw a flyer, stayed after work, showed up to a dinner, accidentally sat at the same table as the mayor, and then we got sucked in. It's been really cool to see how feedback that our community brought to the table was actually implemented into some of the code changes that are going to be impacting Redmond in the next 20 years.
Because we are a social hub here, people are much more aware of us. They might be going to Sound Health, and the next thing they know about Disability Empowerment Center.
I really appreciate having the mixed income housing above the Together Center. It means that people can come down here and receive services basically in their backyard. We had somebody who was living upstairs who had really struggled to get connected to social services. He came down, found us kind of just by walking around, and we were able to help him move through the job search process and get involved in a volunteering capacity. This is a really cool building, and I appreciate that we are here.